Hey guys, my name's Olivia and welcome to my YouTube channel. How you doing? You doing alright? You good? I hope so. Today's video is a very exciting one as my family and friends have highly requested how I do this. I'm going to show you guys how to purse pack. Now, some of you may be thinking,
what are you talking about? Why do you try to pack everything in a 14 by 12 purse?
Well, let me enlighten you on a little secret that I've picked up traveling for the past 3 years. There are ridiculously cheap flights out there, guys. We're talking, my cheapest flight I've ever been on was $39. So, you're probably like, what's the catch? Do you have to fly the plane? Do they drop you off mid-air? No. The catch is, they try to get you to spend more money than you need to. So what they'll do is they'll charge you for carry-on bags, they'll charge you for checked-on bags, and of course you don't get complimentary beverages or food on the airplanes. So how do I get my clothes to my destination and still getting the best bang for my buck? It's a term that my best friend Gracie coined as I've done this when I visit her. It's called purse packing. So I try to fit as many outfits as possible reasonably without getting too cramped in there. And I'm going to show you guys today how I do it. So, all of these clothes that you see here are going to be packed into this cute little Betsy Johnson number that I got for my birthday when I was 18, I think. I'm going to bring you guys with me and you're going to see firsthand how I do this and how you can do it too. It's so easy. Okay, so one of your best options that you're going to have to do is roll your clothing. This is how you're going to get as many things as possible crammed inside of your personal item to get you onto the flight as cheap as possible. I just went ahead and did this one, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it too. So we're gonna roll this and set it aside. Now, that same shirt can either be paired with these sleep shorts, if I wanna wear it to bed, or these jean shorts. It can even be paired with a pair of jeans or a different tank top if you tie up the shirt for one of the outfits. Your best bet is going to be mixing and matching your clothes, and yes, you have to be an outfit repeater. I'm sorry, but if you want to get there as cheap as possible and you want to purse pack, that's the way to do it. So we're going to take a jean pair of shorts and we're going to fold them in half, and then we're going to roll them as tight as possible, applying as much pressure as you can while you're rolling it up. Okay, so now we're going to do some shirts. So I have a t-shirt right here. I can either wear it out or I can wear it to bed, which is usually what I do. Again, my style when I'm on vacation and vacationing on a budget, it's not to be a fashionista. So if you want to pack light, maybe give up being a fashionista for a little bit or check a bag. I mean, it's not that expensive, but kind of defeats the purpose of this video, so maybe I should just cut that out. So right now we've got 3 rolled items of clothing. That could be 2 outfits. Okay, so let's bring in the jeans to make it 4 outfits. We're gonna fold the jeans in half here. Fold the jeans in half, stretch them out, and then fold them again. And this is when you're gonna roll tight, as tight as possible. Just like that. Now, these are high-waisted jeans, so of course they're a little bit thicker than if I were to just do, a pair of skinny jeans. So you can always wiggle your way around what you're packing and try and make it as light as possible. For instance, these, I don't know what they're called, culottes? These flowy pants right here, they go about to shin level, so I can wear them as either going to the beach, hanging out during the day, or even take it a bit further, dress them up, and wear them going out at night. So I'm going to fold them in half and just roll them up. Now this one really looks like a towel, but that's just because this material it's kind of hard to play around with. Taking those sleep shorts, we're gonna fold them up. I'm gonna fold them again and then do a little baby tiny roll. And look at that. Look at how much space that saves. It's so tiny. So go put that there. So right now I've got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outfits. So I've got 2 shirts, but I have 4 pairs of pants or shorts that I can pair them with. One of my biggest tips is taking athleisure clothes. If you like to work out when you're on vacation, this is a perfect tip for you because your workout clothes can double as athleisure. If you want to hang out in them after you hand wash them, even in your hotel room sink or your friend's house, then you can wear them again. So I've got a tiny workout tank here, super cute to wear if I want to wear it with regular bra or sports bra. And then I've also got some running shorts or compression shorts, whatever you want to call them. I usually call them Spanx. If I want to work out with those, I can fold these over because they do have a waistband and it stays pretty flat. I've got this blouse. It doubles as going out. It's super cute. I can wear it to brunch, breakfast. I'm gonna fold it in half here. Try and fold it again because of those ruffly sleeves. And then I'm just going to roll super tight. We've got a flowy tank here. Make sure that's nice and flat. I'm gonna fold it again because it's ruffly. And then of course, this type of material compacts very easily. So I can even fold it in half again and it's about the size of a hairbrush. All right, so that does it for shorts, tanks, sleepwear that doubles as activewear or doubles as just chilling around clothes. Of course, you can try and pack some more. We might even end up having a little bit of wiggle room to where we can put some more items in our purse when we're done. So next we have a very, very important part, which is intimates. So of course you need underwear. Of course you need bras if you're a girl. If not, more space for you. And yes, guys, you can do this on a carry-on satchel, a carry-on backpack if it fits the airline specifications of a personal item. It is possible. This isn't just for girls. Just thought I'd throw that out there. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pairs of underwear, and I'm going to put this in a packing cube that I got from IKEA. Packing cubes you can find all over the place, TJ Maxx, but you can find packing cubes pretty much anywhere. They're in almost every store if the store has a travel section. And they're very handy in compacting big items of clothing or if you want to keep things together. So I'm going to take my 6 pairs of underwear, cram that in the corner here. This is very important. Ladies, if you have a staple bra that you know will work for a majority of your outfits that you're bringing, that is super comfortable and will never let you down. For me, that is my tan strapless here. I'm gonna tuck that in, and then I'm gonna also bring an additional bra, which would be the one that I'm wearing in the airport. And since I have a little bit of room, and this is a larger packing cube, since I have a little bit of room, I'm gonna go ahead and put some fuzzy socks, some regular socks if I have them, and then we're going to see if we can, I have a little bit of room, so maybe we'll try and compact one of the bigger or one of the larger items that I had rolled up. So maybe these shorts, we'll roll them up and tuck them in there and try and get them to fit. All right, guys, let's get stuffing. Okay, as you can see, I have a Betsy Johnson purse here. Let me show you guys a little bit. It's got 3 compartments and it's got a divider in the middle that can hold things. Usually I won't put anything in here because it just takes up more space, and I do like to keep this closed just so that nothing falls out while I'm in the airport and, you know, just for safety reasons. But I've got some additional pockets I don't really use. I do like the shape of this purse, how it sort of comes out at the sides here because I can cram things down into either side. So if you're looking for a nice personal item bag, one like this might be good, or whatever will suit your needs best. All right, so let's start with the big items. So these jeans here, they've come undone a little bit. We're gonna press them again, press, 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 and I'm gonna put them in, and instead of stacking them in, I'm gonna put them standing up right, and tucking them as far as possible into the corner of my personal item. So they're in there, they're tucked into the corner. And of course they won't stay in there until I put some other stuff in there too. So we've got that, and we've got it pushed all the way into the corner. So let's go ahead and stay on theme and just take some of the pants that are in there as well. So we've got these shorts that I'm gonna stack in there with them. That takes little to no room at all. We'll go ahead and take that workout tank, put that on top. If you can see, put that on top of those shorts. Oopsies. And then we're gonna take those workout pants, lay those next to the green shorts. We'll go ahead and start with t-shirts. We'll take that Tau Sigma sleep / chill / wear out tank. Shirt. We'll take this beautiful little tank top and tuck that into the bottom corner, which is, it's down in there. I don't know if you guys can see it very well. I'm trying my best here, but it's tucked in there. Then we're gonna take this camo t-shirt, lay that on top. So if you're looking at it now from the side, we've got one side filled in, and it's pretty slim still, as you can see. So, and it's, of course, it's not exactly light yet, but it'll work. Then we're gonna take the palazzo pants that we have here, these ones, and this one we're going to lay down. And of course, we're gonna lay this horizontally in the bag, because it's pretty difficult for that one, since they're so big, to stay upright. And then we're gonna take this beautiful red blouse here, try and stack that up into the corner there. You can see that down there. Yeah, maybe. And then we have our bag which has a pair of jean shorts in it. We've got a staple bra, a couple socks, and then pairs of underwear as well. We're just gonna slide that right into its compartment, and voila. All right, guys, so we have about what I think is about 10 outfits. If you really mix and match and aren't afraid to rewear some pieces, if you aren't afraid to rewear some pieces and just work around it, this is more than enough. And I think we can even fit more. Let's do it. So I think we could even fit more in here and still have room to fit our toiletries. So here's your options. You can either add in a dress, which I could go ahead and roll up nice and easy and cram this right into the corner where there's still some room on the other side of the packing cube, like that. Beautiful. We could add a swimsuit in there. I've got one. Can tuck that in to any loose spaces. Feel free to just, kind of cram it in there. Swimsuit won't wrinkle. This is our bag, you guys. So this has about, I don't know, like 11 outfits in it, and some hangout clothes. I can still, and this isn't a magical Mary Poppins bag, I can still fit in a couple items in the corner. But if you had a similar bag, I'm sure you could find tiny spaces for small articles of clothing. Of course, you can adjust what you would need in here based on the activities you'll be doing, the climate of where you're going, and if you want to bring an extra pair of shoes, you can tuck those in here too. That's where this middle divider space is really good. But this is perfect for a week vacation. Actually, there's more than enough in here for a week vacation, and not to mention, it's not too heavy. It's really not too heavy. And I know one thing that I did leave out is toiletries, because those are up to you. They vary a lot between individuals. So there is still room, as you can see, there is room where you can tuck things in. I recommend, what I usually do is I'll take a bag of a few makeup staples. So like a moisturizer, foundation, concealer, eyebrow products, and then mascara or eye products in a small plastic bag. And then I'll put my toothbrush, floss, any acne medicine or medications, and I'll put those in a separate bag. So I've got two little nifty plastic Ziploc bags that I can take out for TSA if they need you to do that. But you can see there is plenty of room left for you to pack your toiletries as you need. That about does it for my video. I just wanted to show you guys, all my friends and family out there asking, this right here, purse packing, is how I get to my destinations as cheap as possible without having to spend money on checking bags, carry-ons if those charges apply, and how you can score the cheap flights and not have to pack much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was fun to finally share with you guys how I pretty much pack lightly and pack like a minimalist. This honestly is more than enough for a week vacation. I could get by 2 weeks with what I've packed in here. And, of course, like I said, it depends on where you're going, what suits your needs. If you don't want to pack light, no shame to you. This is just what I like to do because I don't like a lot of things holding me back while I'm enjoying my vacation. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, if you thought anything in this video was helpful, give it a big fat thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We love doing travel tips and travel videos on here. So if you like that too, subscribe and click the notification bell and turn on those notifications. Because why not? Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next time.